guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video we will mix shades of peach latex paint. Peach is a soft and warm color that invites soothing and positive vibes into a bedroom space. It's also look great on living room walls and will pair wonderfully with gray and white. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our more upcoming paint mixing videos. Thank you! Okay, let's start! Our client order 1 liter of tangerine fuzz matte latex paint mix. Let's start by pouring Acrylic color raw sienna on a 50% ratio of flat latex white. Let's also drop Acrylic color tulidine red. Then stir the paint very well to come out the color result. We are lighter than client's sample. Let's add more Acrylic color raw sienna and tulidine red. We are more yellowish. Let's add more tulidine red. Let's add semi-gloss latex white to make it more bright, also to achieve the matte finish. It's almost the same, just add a little more raw sienna. Yes, it's tangerine fuzz color. Already, mixing accomplished. Let's now mix another client. Order 1 liter of potpourri peach semi-gloss latex paint. I prepare 50% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Okay, let's now add Acrylic color tulidine red. now add gloss latex Hansa yellow to achieve the peach color shade. Let's now compare on our client chosen sample. It's almost the same. We're just a slightly darker. Let's add more semi-gloss latex white and small ratio of tulidine red. It's almost the same. Just add more semi-gloss latex white, Hansa yellow and tulidine red until we got the perfect shade. Yes, it's the same shade already. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.